on our trip to Ireland, we just had a little conversation about, well, wondered where we'll put the smoke alarm. We had the heat detector, but we couldn't find the smoke alarm. And then I started cooking sausages for breakfast. And we found the smoke alarm.
Making a noise behind there.
So now we're going to have to take this panel off, but it's fastened on here at the sides. So, and the top and round here, without disturbing that, we need to pull this forward. So we're going to ask our lovely daughter, who's got slimmer arms than I have, to see if she can get her arm behind. Maybe able to rescue it. We could leave it there, but we don't really want it starting to beep after a few years and not be able to get to it. So hopefully today we'll be able to sneak that off without doing too much damage, and find out where the smoke alarm is. Well, I think it's around here. I think in this bit. We'll let you know.
It's only problems less than nails.
Going in there. Let's see.
She's going in?
Yeah. She's getting her arm in.
Never seen it with this one. I think that was
Hey! Ta-da! Work?
Does it work?
Still works. It worked when it smoked. Yeah. Something else behind there. Lovely. There we go, they got the offending one out without doing too much damage. And I'll put it back on, just a bit of sanding.
Oh no!
Disaster.
It's a disaster.
Absolute disaster. We were chopping wood. And I got it with ease.
The bolt broke, shot across the workshop and hit Linda.
Yeah.
Luckily, the blade was safely stopped in there. So, to warn you all, you're going to use things like this, make sure the blade guard works properly. If this had spun off, it would have cut us in half.
Yeah. So, yeah, it came quite a shock, really. I just both jumped. But we're both fine. Apart from the cutter isn't it?
No. You buy a new one now?
Yeah, so we're off to buy a new saw.
Yeah.
Then we can finish off. Nice one. So this is our first drawer. Might not be absolutely perfect, but nothing that chocolate and a cup of tea won't cure. So we'll put it together, tape. We've fitted in the van with the runners, just slid it in and out just so we know it actually goes in and out. What else, Shawnee? Cut it using the saw, which was an experience, wasn't it?
Because we don't have a bench saw.
We don't have a bench saw. But Tony's done a really good job, haven't you?
Yeah.
Are you pleased?
Okay. At the moment, we'll see how the others go.
One down, 3 to go.